Hai guys, nama saya Syamil. Okay, dengan hari ni Hai guys, nama saya Syamil.
Hi everybody, my name is Alief Nurudin. I've been a chef for 12 years.
Alright, hari ni saya nak share sikit macam mana nak buat burger nugget.
Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a deep fried chicken burger.
It's simple, sedap, and yeah, you guys should try. So let's start with the ingredients. The first thing yang you guys kena ada is, of course lah, margarine, burger bun, right? Nugget. You guys can pakai tempura ke or any, yeah, dia tak sabar nak keluar. And yeah, this beautiful lettuce. Satu cheese untuk satu burger. My secret ingredients, alright guys, it's paprika.
You want to have a look at the ingredients? First we got tomatoes, we've got gherkins, we've got, this is my special sauce, some salad, chicken, onions, breadcrumbs, eggs. This is a combination of flour and corn flour, all purpose. We've got potatoes. This one will be French fries and this one will be wedges. So I'll teach you guys how to make your own French fries and wedges as well. So you don't have to buy it from the store. Much cheaper, much more tastier. Have got cheese, obviously. We've got some paprika, oregano, pepper and Himalayan salt. And this is my favorite. I get this from Dry Grocer. It's the English muffin and it makes a great burger bun. It holds very well. Its texture is beautiful and yeah, the taste is just superb lah. Yeah.
So what would be a good alternative for the secret sauce?
I would say some mayonnaise and ketchup, and then if you want to add some salt and pepper just to give it a little bit more taste, and probably squeeze some lemon juice inside, a little bit of mustard if you like that tanginess. So yeah, you can try that as well.
So let's start. So you guys boleh letak berapa banyak yang you guys suka dekat burger bun. Kalau macam saya suka full dekat roti tu, tepi-tepi dia sekali, so that flavour margarine tu masuk. Macam mana nak buka api tu lah? Aku tak tahu apa aku buat. Help me God.
Meanwhile,
So first step, you need to get a food processor. Masukkan your chicken, letak garam sikit, secubit, some pepper, oregano, paprika. Okay, now you switch it on. Kalau you tengok, dia dah macam one ball going around. Dah siap lah tu. So you want to have a look, it's already minced in a way. What you want to do is get a weighing scale just so that it can be exact. So contoh, what I always do is I weigh everything and then I bahagi. So if it's like 1 kilo in here, I want 100 gram patties. So I buat 100 gram, bila I want 10 patties, 100 gram patties lah. So there's a little bit of math involved.
quick maths.
But nothing too hard. So that's 100 grams on the dot. If you want to have a look. So then take it off. And just press it down. Press it down and you're done. That's all you need to do with a patty. I'll put this in the freezer for a while.
Alright, biasanya saya pakai dalam 5 nugget untuk satu burger. Mesti you guys macam pelik macam mana saya nak muatkan 5 tu. Okay, lepas ni saya tunjuk step by step macam mana nak muatkan 5 nugget. Alright, InsyaAllah tak jatuh.
So next thing I'm going to teach you guys is how to make your own caramelized onions. First step is get this open, which I cannot do. Okay, now I can. It's just olive oil. You can get it from your supermarket. Just a little bit, not too much. Okay. This is Holland onions, bawang kuning. You want to really slice it really thinly, and you get really nice strands. Just chuck it inside. Then just chuck it on the stove. Pasang your api. To start with, you want api besar jugalah, taklah too big but not too small. So just to get the heating going on, just to get it started lah basically. Once it's starting to brown on the sides, what you want to do is go as small as you can. So your fire, put it as small as you can. And all you do is forget about this. No salt, no pepper, no nothing. It's just pure onions. It will taste very sweet. It's all from the sucrose inside the onions itself. Okay, so we are basically caramelizing the sugars in the onions.
Okay, so saya dah balikkan nugget tadi. Saya akan start bakar burger bun.
Okay, so now your chicken has been in the freezer for about 10 minutes. It should firm up by now. All you want to do is get your eggs, break them up, mix your corn flour and flour. First step, into the flour, dip in your egg, breadcrumbs. We'll let it freeze in the freezer again. So we just want to wait for it to firm up again before we start frying it.
Meanwhile,
So we're going to put in our chicken burger, chicken patty inside our oil. Again, it will take about 4 to 5 minutes to cook on medium heat. So now I'm going to teach you guys how to make wedges and french fries. First step, you want to keep it in water, just let it soak to get the excess starch out. Then you want to drain it. And then keringkan lah on the kitchen towel itself. So once you've dried these off, in a pot, put in some oil, panaskan, and just drop them up. You want to be very very careful. Api kecil. You just want api kecil. Fry these, and you want to fry this for quite a long time actually. These are going to fry for 8 minutes on very very low heat. Take it out, cool it out. And then we were going to fry it high heat just to get the outside crispy. So now what we're doing is getting the insides very very fluffy and soft, and then take it out. Later on we get the outside crispy.
later that same evening.
So next step is to get your bread. Again, if you guys tak nak guna ni, kalau susah nak dapat, you don't have to use it. So just cut it in half, and then all you want to do is letak atas api. Okay, so macam I buat ada gigi-gigi ni. I like it sebab it will give me lines here. But if you have a normal pan, that's fine. You don't have to go all fancy with this. You just basically want it toasted. So you guys boleh tengok those beautiful lines, and if you touch it also, it's there's that layer tau, that caramelized layer.
So bila burger bun dah siap, you guys boleh susun lah ada salad berapa banyak you guys nak letak.
Next thing you want to do is get some sauce. I use 1 tablespoon.
So kita start dengan 3 nugget dekat bawah. To the hole.
Next, I'm going to put some caramelized onions. Then I'm going to put my patty.
And bit cheese.
I'm going to put 2 slices of cheese.
And the last one is paprika. Sikit je. Nak ada flavour.
Next, what we're going to put is our tomatoes, some pickles. So then, we're going to take this. Look at that. I'm so proud of this. Get some salad on top.
And then roti.
Voila. You got your chips. Take some paprika on top. Pepper. Some salt. There you have it.
So tu saja guys. It's very simple. Bagi saya sedap. Sebab apa? Dia simple.
This looks beautiful. So if you guys like what you watched, make sure you guys like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna go enjoy this now. Bye.
If you guys suka tengok video macam ni and you guys nak tengok lagi video macam ni, why don't you guys like and subscribe? Thanks guys.